How tool calling actually works. The model asks, someone else does. On the top, Claude the model. On the bottom, the executor. A dotted line splits them, and it never moves. Claude lives in a sealed box. No database, no internet, no file system. It reasons brilliantly, but it cannot on its own do anything. You hand the model a menu of tool definitions: name, description, input schema, and strict. The description is what it picks on, not the name. Write it like documentation. Set strict to true, and Anthropic compiles your schema into a grammar that constrains the decoder itself. No string 2 when you wanted integer 2. No missing required fields, ever. Claude emits a tool use block. It looks like a filled-in form. Name get weather, input city Tokyo. This is a request. The model never executes, anywhere ever. It is waiting. Now the part most explainers skip. The executor side has 3 lanes. The tool use routes to one of them based on the tool name. Lane A is what most tutorials show. User-defined tools, get weather, send Slack message, query orders. You wrote the schema. Your code does the work. Lane B is more interesting. Anthropic schema client tools, bash, text editor, computer, memory. Anthropic publishes the schema because the model is trained to call those shapes reliably, but your code still runs the bash command. Lane C is newest. For web search, web fetch, code execution, and tool search, Anthropic's own servers execute. Your code never sees the request, you only see the result. But the model still didn't do it. It asked, someone else did it. Whichever lane ran the tool, the data gets wrapped in a tool result block. It slides back across the dotted line, appends to the messages list, and a fresh messages dot create fires. Same pattern, regardless of lane. Now Claude holds the result. It emits the final text answer with stop, reason, end turn, green light. The round trip is complete. Model to tool use to executor to tool result back to model. One round trip is one tool call. Loop it for multi-step agents. The old rule was keep to 4 or 5 tools. That's overcautious for Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.7. The real rule, each tool needs a description, so unambiguous the model couldn't pick the wrong one. Description quality beats tool count. Everyone keeps redefining the same tools by hand. There's a standard that fixes that, MCP. Next video.